How to withdraw money on Revolut. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can withdraw money on Revolut. So in order to withdraw money on Revolut, make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So basically, to withdraw money from Revolut, you can go to the savings section of the app and then open the flexible account you want to withdraw money from and tap the withdraw button, enter the amount you wish to withdraw, and the funds will be transferred to your main Revolut account. Apart from it, what else you can do is just go ahead and tap the send button once you're logged in and select to whom you actually want to pay. And then you have to go ahead and enter in the exact amount that you wish to withdraw and select the source where you're actually transferring the money from, and all of these information, review the transaction, all that, and within no time you'll be notified that you successfully withdraw money from Revolut. So in this way you can withdraw money from Revolut. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.